thought about having multiple talented kids? Have you thought about seeing your lost loved ones again? When you pay for Cloverfield, you know you're paying for quality. Age, gender, height, we can recreate anything. Sign up today and pay a small fee to experience the peak of cloning technology.
Here he is.
You must be feeling confused. Look at me. Your name is Max? Your name is Max? You have a sister named Louie? I'm your mother. You have to be a good brother to Louie.
Okay. Welcome home. Welcome. This is your new home. Come on in.
Mom, are you home yet? Max? You're okay? Oh my god. I...
Yes? Yes? Come and tell me.
Yeah, it's the one time he's nice to us.
Yeah, because like at least he posted it today, and then at least
you reach, like,
had, 3 days.
Attachment.
Yeah, because like if you just said it on Thursday.
Wait, no, read something to me.
Yo, Max, you see Mom?
No, why?
I was just looking for her, ask her something.
Oh.
Oh, she left her book here. You ever read it?
No, it's so boring.
Yeah, so many big words.
Yeah.
Oh, she left her receipt here.
Oh.
Cloverfield Cloning Inc. One 14-year-old male named Max Chen? Full DNA replication. Wait, what does this mean?
Oh, it's just the receipt for my, like, clone. Like, the cloning.
What do you mean cloning? You're not a clone.
I am. Wait. You know, right?
What are you talking about?
Mom,
What am I? What?
Mom told you that, I'm a clone, right? Of Max.
So you're not Max?
I am now.
Wait, what? You're a clone?
Yes.
Wait, that doesn't. So you've been lying to me this whole time?
Well, I thought that you knew. Mom didn't tell you?
So you're not even Max then?
I am now.
But you're not my brother.
I am.
You're not. That's what? You're not Max. Hey Max, wanna play chess? I'll teach you.
Yeah.
This is child abuse.